Hurricane spinning up to a dangerous speed there. Those heavy teeth really hit hard. Oh no. Oh, good interference hit there. He's still spinning, but looking like he's lost his drive again. Black and White bravely charges into the teeth. Not looking good. He's sort of lost his drive capability, but his weapon is still spinning. Yep. Okay. Hurricane has 10 seconds to demonstrate movement or he will lose the match. 9, 8. Yes, he moves. Well done. He's come back to life. Stopped again after a burst of motion there. He's going to spin down and see if he can recover some movement. Yes, the axe is coming in and he's lifted him up on the axe. This is Hurricane's first outing. He's having some drive reliability issues, which is a pity because he hits very hard. Looks like he's immobilised again. His weapon is working. Can you drive? 10, 9, 8, 7.